No, I'm here to give my honest opinion. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Pamela. Subscribe down below. As you guys can see by the title, I'm going to try out the Olaplex number 3 at-home treatment. I heard very good things about this product and I never tried it before, so I wanted to give it a try for you guys in this video to see if it actually works. I definitely been wanting to try this for a while. I actually do have really heat damaged hair. I just recently got a haircut and now I'm transitioning from straight to curly hair, and I heard this product is really good for that, especially since I straighten my hair so much. So I hope this product works. So if you guys are excited to see this video, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna get straight into what Olaplex number 3 actually is from what I know and what I've heard about it. It's not gonna be a protein treatment, and it's not going to be a deep conditioner. It's actually going to be a hair bonding treatment. Now, what does that even mean? So I don't know if you guys have seen in hair commercials where they show you the really up close picture of a hair strand that looks kind of rough on the outside and it's kind of like breaking up into pieces. So this hair bonder right here is supposed to smooth all of that out. That will give you more smoothness, it'll give you more definition, it'll give you a more healthy texture, I would say. I've heard so many good things about it from people who are transitioning their hair, and I've been straightening my hair for a while. This is recommended that you use 1 time per week, and for really damaged hair you should use it up to 3 times per week. You're supposed to use it on damp towel dried hair, and then you add a generous amount of the product all over the hair, leave on for 10 minutes, and then rinse it from your hair with shampoo, and then you condition as usual. Obviously my hair is pretty straight right now, so I'm going to wet it in the shower really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just wet my hair in the shower. I didn't shampoo it or anything because it says it doesn't need to be like cleaned hair. It just says damp towel dried hair. So I just left my hair as is. I didn't have any product in there whatsoever. I just washed my hair the other day. So there's nothing on it to, you know, prevent it from working. So I think this is the standard size bottle that the Olaplex 3 comes in. So this is pretty small. I mean, even though I just got a haircut, I feel like I'm gonna use this whole bottle in one use because you're supposed to be able to use this a few times. So we'll see if this is enough. Definitely smells like conditioner. I'm just gonna take my hair out. So obviously, since I started with my hair straight, I'm going to insert a clip of what my hair normally looks like when it's naturally curly, so you guys can get an idea of the difference. But I think it'll be kind of hard to tell just by the video. So I'm gonna just section it off and work in really small sections because I do have a lot of hair. This product is supposed to make your hair look better when it's natural. So we'll see how this goes. So I'm just gonna use a wide tooth comb and detangle my hair really quick. And I'm just gonna start adding the product. Saturate my hair with this. And I've seen in a lot of other videos that girls kind of twist it a little bit, especially if you have curly hair, to help with your curl pattern. So I might do that as well. So I'm just gonna make sure every section is completely saturated. But it honestly feels like conditioner. It feels like not even a thick conditioner, like a regular watered down type of conditioner. So it kind of runs through your hair very easily, especially since it's already wet as well. So I think it will lock in a lot of moisture. By the way, I do get keratin treatments. So I haven't gotten one in like a 1.5 years or so. So I think it's pretty much out of my hair now, but I hope that doesn't ruin the purpose of this treatment. I'm just scrunching my hair to see if it will curl up a little bit. It's doing a little something. I think they're coming through, guys. I'm gonna do the little twisting method to see if that helps anything. I'm just gonna repeat this all over my hair. I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to. I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try.
I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why.
So this is just supposed to help with my curl pattern, just training my hair, go back to its curly self. I just seen people do these in other Olaplex videos, so just gonna give it a try.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night, I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. And it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. No, I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could...
After doing about half of my hair, what I realized is to really save product, especially if you have really thick hair like me. What I did is I sectioned off really big sections of my hair and saturated those sections with the Olaplex first. And then I went in and added a little bit more to the dry areas, just so that you're evenly distributing it through your hair and you're not like running out of product before you're done with your whole head. So right now I have about half a bottle. This will be good enough for my second treatment. And then after that, of course, I would have to get more. So I could at least get 2 uses out of this. Then again, if I had my long hair, like I did before, then I would probably use the whole bottle. So just keep that in mind. This is supposed to stay in your hair for at least 10 minutes. And then it says longer if desired. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on a shower cap and leave it in there for about 30 minutes. I just wanna seal in all the heat and let it really soak in there. Oh my God. I'm going to set my timer for about 30 minutes. Alright guys, so I just washed my hair. I just put it in a microfiber towel just so that I can minimize the frizz if there's any. This is my hair right now. I don't know if you guys can see a difference at all. I definitely don't. It does feel a little bit softer. The real test is how it dries. So it says to condition as usual. So usually I put a hair mask on overnight. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm not gonna switch anything up in my routine. So to wash my hair, I usually use this. It's the Maelle Pomegranate and Honey Moisturizing and Detangling Shampoo. It's sulfate free, so it's really good for thick, curly hair. It smells so good. So I'll use a regular conditioner. So this is the conditioner that comes with the shampoo. It's a leave-in conditioner, so it's not too heavy at all. So I use quite a bit of this actually. You're not really supposed to put conditioner on your roots, but I like smoothing down my edges because I feel like that's the part that I style the most. So I want it to be soft and revitalized. And I feel like it really helps, especially if you have like hair loss along your hairline. You really want to prevent your hair from breaking. And then I'll just run it through the rest of my hair. Okay, so once everything's saturated, I'd like to take a wide tooth comb and just comb my hair out because this conditioner is a detangler. I like to keep in the mask overnight because I feel like it really helps with my frizzy hair. Okay, so once everything is pretty much combed out, I'm gonna put a hair mask in my hair. This one's meant to really moisturize your hair. It's the ApHogee Shea Pro Leave-In Moisturizer. It's supposed to help with frizziness as well, and since we already put in a product that's supposed to bond the hair, I think it's really beneficial to use something super moisturizing. This is how I condition my hair every week when I wash it. I always use a mask every single time. But you really want to focus it on the bottom and the ends of your hair because that's where it can be the most dry. Okay, so after everything is pretty much saturated in the mask, I'm just going to tie up my hair in a bun. You don't want to strain your curls, so what I do is I just hold it up as high as I can and then make a bun with my hand. And then just tie it over twice. So you're not pulling on this part, you know what I mean? It's still somewhat loose. Okay, so obviously you don't have to leave anything in overnight. You can actually just do your hair routine and then style your hair. But this is what I normally do. This is part of my routine. So I'm going to go to sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so this is 2 days after I used the Olaplex treatment, and this is what my hair is looking like. What do you guys think? I'll just give you guys like a full view. So after I did this treatment, I went a day without putting any product in my hair. Every time I do treatments, I always do that just to give my hair a break before I style it with a whole bunch of products. So this morning I actually styled my hair with my curly hair routine, and I use all of the products I would normally use. I feel like my curls are looking so much better. I mean, they're not where I want them to be. I feel like they have really improved from the Olaplex treatment. The main thing is I do have very heat damaged hair. So I feel like I need to do more Olaplex treatments to get the full results. I also think it would probably help to use the whole line when I do use it. Just by using it one time, it really did make a drastic difference in my hair. I do feel like my curls are curlier, and in some spots they are more healthy looking. I have been straightening my hair for years, so some spots are more frizzier than others. I want to say the top portion of my hair is definitely frizzier and it's more of a wave instead of a curl. I feel like it definitely have made my curl pattern go higher up on my hair. So certain sections, the curl will actually start from the root. So I feel like it really did improve that. If you already have a really good curl pattern, I feel like it just makes your curls look so much more healthier. So now for the actual product, I really do feel like that this bottle could have been a little bit bigger, especially if it recommends that you use it 2 to 3 times per week. I tried not to use too much and I only used half of this bottle, so I'm only going to be able to use it one more time after this. But other than that, I really do think it's a great product. It really is super light on your hair. It honestly feels like just a conditioner. Since it's not a protein treatment, it doesn't smell like anything. I feel like it does its job. Super easy to run it through your hair. I feel like it's a good price point for what it is. This product is very easy to put into any hair care routine. But yeah, I feel like I just have to use it a few more times to really get the full results. I lift this up all under here. My curls are really starting to come back. So I'll definitely be using this product again, and I'll probably try the full set of this whole line just to see if it really makes a difference. I highly recommend this, especially if you have any type of damage on your hair or you even do a lot of protective styles. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you guys also want me to make a review about the whole entire line, just let me know and I'll definitely make that video for you guys. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Olaplex number 3 first impressions review. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below if you are new here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know